Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about a very important topics of MSc Physics and 4 friends. Let's start now. Intel 8085 microprocessor. 8085 is pronounced as 8085 microprocessor. It is an 8-bit microprocessor designed by Intel in 1997 using NMOS technology. It was designed to be a more efficient version of the primarily by requiring only a single plus 5-volt power supply. Features of 8085 microprocessor. First, it is an 8-bit microprocessor, that is, it can accept process or provide 8-bit data simultaneously. Second number, friends, it operates on a single plus 5-volt power supply connected at VCC power supply. Ground is connected to VSS. Third, it operates on clock cycle with 50% duty cycle. 4. It has on-chip clock generator. This internal clock generator required two-net circuit like LCRC or crystal. The internal clock generator divides oscillator frequency by 2 and generates clock signal which can be used for synchronizing external devices. 5. It can operate with a 3 MHz clock frequency. The 8085A2 version can operate at the maximum frequency of 5 MHz. 6. It has 16 address lines. Hence, it can access 2 to the power 16 64K bytes of memory. 7. It provides 8-bit I/O address to access to 8 256 I/O ports. 8. In 8085, the lower 8-bit address but A0, A7 and data bus D0, D7 are multiplexed to reduce number of external pins, but due to this external hardware is required to separate address line and data lines. Internal architecture of 8085 microprocessor. Now friends, we know internal architecture of 8085 processor. This is the circuit diagram of 8085 microprocessor. You can see friends, this is the figure of 8085. This is very complex figure friends, you can see. You can pause the video and you can draw the diagram. Let's know about construction. First, arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. The ALU is the heart of the microprocessor. It performs like addition and subtraction, and you can see friends, this is the figure. You can see properly, this is the total figure friends. 8085 microprocessor. And logical operations like AND, OR, and XOR. It takes 8-bit data from the accumulator and the temporary register to perform their second register unit. Register are high-speed storage location inside the CPU accumulator. The most important 8-bit register. It holds one of the operands and always stores the final result of an operation. General purpose register. There are 6 8-bit registers B, C, D, E, N, H, and L. They can be used as pairs B, C, D, E, H, L to store 16-bit addresses or data. Program counter PC. A 16-bit register that points to memory address of the next instruction to be executed. Follow. A stack pointer. Next friends, a stack pointer SP keep track of where the stack starts with during function calls. And third, flags register shows the status of operations. Important flags: 0Z result is 0, carry C carry generated, sign as result is negative, parity P even odd result. For instruction decoder, the translator it reads the code and tell us the CPU what it means. Example, the code means move data. 5. Timing and control. The manager it sends signals like RD route, WR write and ALE to coordinate everything. 6. Interrupt control. The emergency line handle urgent external signals like TREF, RST. 7. Bus system. Address bus 16-bit sends location data, bus 8-bit carries the actual information. Thank you friends. If this is video helpful for us, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel and please support me. Thank you.